If you love fall fashion, you absolutely need these nail colors in your life. Think cozy sweaters, cute boots, and nails that pop. Let's celebrate the beauty of autumn, right at your fingertips. First up, deep burgundy, that rich wine red. It's classic, it's elegant, and honestly, it makes every skin tone glow, but especially ours. Rock it with a gold ring and you're instantly giving main character energy. Now let's talk burnt orange, or as I call it, pumpkin spice for your nails. This shade is bold, warm, and so cozy. Whether you're grabbing coffee or snapping pics in Central Park, burnt orange nails are a fall essential. And don't sleep on mustard yellow. This golden glow is the perfect pop of color. It's playful, bright, and stands out beautifully against deeper skin. Trust me, your hands will be the talk of every brunch table. So ladies, this fall, let your nails do the talking. Deep burgundy, burnt orange, mustard yellow, each one is a showstopper just like you. Go ahead, treat yourself to a fresh set and step out feeling like the queen you are. Stay gorgeous and happy fall.